Have you ever wondered how to break down a trinomial into simpler factors? Today we're diving into factoring quadratics with the form x squared plus bx plus c. Let's get started. Factoring a trinomial means finding two binomials that multiply to give us our original quadratic. We can do this by inspection when the coefficient of x squared is 1. For instance, to factor x squared plus 5x plus 6, we look for two numbers that multiply to 6 and add up to 5. The numbers 2 and 3 fit perfectly. So we can write x plus 5x plus 6 as x plus 3. Let's try one together. Factor the trinomial x squared plus 7x plus 10. What two numbers multiply to 10 and add to 7? The numbers are 2 and 5, so x squared plus 7x plus 10 factors to x plus 2, x plus 5. Great job today. Now you know how to factor quadratics by inspection. Keep practicing and you'll become a factoring master. Don't forget to subscribe for more math lessons. Subscribe or check out our next video on solving quadratic equations.